Right, okay, let's do Barry Manilow medley. All right, shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi, bayan. Shout out.
Ensure Gold with HMB and triple protein helps slow down muscle
Yan, syempre may
decay,
commercial.
muscle
Oh,
strength.
may commercial
Stay
talaga.
strong.
Hindi tayo naka YouTube Premium eh. Ganun talaga. I remember all my life raining down as cold as ice. The shadows of a man I face through a window and crying in the night. The night goes into morning, just another day, and happy people pass my way. Looking in their eyes, I see a memory. I never realized how happy you made me, oh Mandy. Well, you came and you gave without taking, but I sent you away, oh Mandy. Well, you kissed me and stopped me from shaking, and I need you today, oh Mandy. Even now, when there's someone else who cares, when there's someone who's waiting just for me, and even now I think about you as I'm climbing up the stairs, and I wonder what to do so she won't see that even now, when I know it wasn't right, and I found a better life than what we had, and even now I wake up crying in the middle of the night, and I can't believe it still could hurt so bad. Even now when I have gone so far, I wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard without you. Even now when I come shining through, I swear I think of you and how I wish you knew. Even now, we had the right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside, and I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. If I should love again, if I find someone new, it would be make believe. For in my heart it would be you, and so I hold her close and want her now and then. I still be loving you if I should love again. And if I should love again. Woo! Alright. Excellent. One of my favorite singers din, no? Si Barry Manilow. So, yan. Ginawa natin ng medley songs. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Hanap pa tayo ng mga medley dito para maganda naman. Iba naman. Di ba?